Farnborough Heights in New South Wales. I have no idea where that is, but man, he does know how to do a skid. So somewhere around Farnborough Heights they've been seeing the white billowing smoke.
He's had a bit of practice there, Kerry, I tell you.
Unbelievable amount of practice. He has got them.
Let's get him raised up. Come on, guys.
Well, we see all kinds of burnouts. This one's slow and smoking.
Brilliant car control, Kerry. Brilliant car control. Right on the throttle as well. Look at him opening up the burnout, the donut pad. He's going to use the whole pad as he comes around.
And the Tyre Mulisha. The Gus boy. Good enough. Yeah, that was pretty good. See you Sunday.